In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook. Whether you are using the Outlook desktop app or Outlook.com in a web browser, there are a couple of quick ways to grab new mail, send anything waiting in your outbox, and make sure your folders are up to date. If you are on the desktop app and you want the fastest method, use the keyboard shortcut, press F9, and Outlook will immediately run a send fay receive. That means it checks your inbox for new messages, syncs changes across your folders, and sends any messages queued in your outbox. It's instant and doesn't disrupt what you are doing. On some laptops, the function keys double as brightness or volume. If F9 adjusts something else, you may need to hold the FN key while pressing F9. If you don't see new mail after a moment, confirm you are connected to the internet and give it a second to complete. If you prefer using the ribbon, stay in the desktop app and go to the Send Fay Receive tab. Click Send Fay Receive All Folders. This does the same refresh but explicitly runs it for every account and every folder you've added to Outlook. It's a great habit if you manage multiple mailboxes or shared folders. While the refresh is running, you'll see status updates in the bottom bar, so you know Outlook is actively syncing. Let it finish to ensure everything is fully up to date. If you are using Outlook on the web, the process is done through your browser. Press F5 on your keyboard, or click the browser's reload button. This refreshes the Outlook.com page, pulls in the latest messages from the server, and updates your view. Don't worry, reloading the page won't resend messages or duplicate anything. It simply fetches the newest data. If you have multiple tabs open, refresh the one where Outlook is active so you see the latest mail right away. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.